Greetings, fellow students of astrology, to yet another episode of the Lilly Lectures. I am your guide, William Lilly, and in today's topic, we look into the delicate balance of family dynamics through the lens of astrological wisdom. This question is better answered through a birth chart analysis, but since few possess the skills to interpret one, I will attempt to provide some insight through a horary question. When the question is posed, observe the Lord of the Ascendant, the Moon, and the Lord of the fifth house. If you find reception and application between the Lord of the fifth house and the Lord of the Ascendant, and is located in the 10th, 11th, 5th, 3rd, 9th, 1st, or 2nd houses, it indicates love and unity between them. Or if Jupiter or Venus aspect the cusps of both houses, it suggests unity and harmony. In these types of inquiries, I only consider the following. I consider if Saturn, Mars, or the South Node are in the fifth house, for these two planets, or any planet located in that house, are peregrine. I conclude that the child will be difficult, resistant, and not easily influenced by their parents' guidance. In this case, the fault lies entirely with the child, whether they are a young man or woman, based on the question asked. If I find Saturn, Mars, or the South Node in the ascendant, I inform the inquiring parents that the fault lies with them for their child's lack of obedience. If Mars is present, I say that they exercise excessive authority over their children, dominating and subjugating them. If Saturn is the obstructing planet, it indicates that they are too strict, rigid, and expect more service, obedience, and attention from their children than is appropriate in a Christian sense of freedom. They do not offer encouragement or show any favor to their children. If the South Node is present in the ascendant, I blame the inquiring parent, stating that they are too jealous, too mistrustful of their children's actions, and they believe lies and rumors about their children, easily manipulated by simple people who deceive them with baseless reports. You can apply the last part of this judgment to any other question as well with good success, as I have done many times, thereby reconciling fathers or mothers with their children. Before we conclude today's episode, let me impart a universal plea to all astrologers. Be fair and honest in your interpretations, irrespective of where the celestial finger points. As we unravel the mysteries of the stars, let compassion and integrity guide our insights. Thank you for joining me on this astrological exploration today. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars. I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.